In an era of global uncertainty, economic instability, and increasingly frequent natural disasters, the importance of emergency preparedness cannot be overstated. While many people assume that food shortages or supply chain disruptions are unlikely to affect them directly, history has shown time and again that even the most developed nations can face crises that leave citizens scrambling for basic necessities. The United States is no exception. In such scenarios, having access to specific types of non-perishable, nutrient-dense emergency foods becomes critical for survival. This article delves into why Americans would struggle to survive without these 8 essential emergency foods, exploring their nutritional value, shelf life, versatility, and role in maintaining physical and mental health during prolonged emergencies. Rice, the ultimate calorie source. Rice is one of humanity's oldest staples and remains a cornerstone of diets worldwide. Its significance as an emergency food lies in its ability to provide high-calorie sustenance with minimal storage requirements. White rice in particular boasts an impressive shelf life, up to 30 years if stored properly in airtight containers, and serves as an excellent source of carbohydrates which are crucial for energy production. Why it matters: energy density. A single cup of cooked rice contains approximately 200 calories, making it ideal for fueling daily activities. Versatility. Rice pairs well with almost any other ingredient, from canned vegetables to spices, allowing families to create varied meals despite limited resources. Even before a crisis hits, rice is inexpensive and widely available, ensuring affordability for households preparing emergency kits. Without rice, many Americans would find themselves unable to meet their caloric needs during extended periods of scarcity, leading to fatigue, malnutrition, and compromised immune function. Protein is vital for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and overall bodily functions, yet fresh meat and dairy products spoil quickly. Enter canned beans, a budget-friendly, long-lasting solution packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Why they're essential. Nutritional balance. Beans like black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas offer not only protein but also complex carbohydrates and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Shelf stability. Properly sealed cans last up to 5 years, providing reliable nutrition regardless of external conditions. Adaptability. Whether mixed into soups, mashed into spreads, or eaten straight from the can, beans can form the foundation of countless recipes. The absence of canned beans in emergency supplies could lead to protein deficiencies, resulting in muscle loss, weakened immunity, and slower recovery from injuries or illnesses. Peanut butter compact energy. Peanut butter is more than just a childhood favorite. It's a powerhouse of healthy fats, protein, and calories condensed into a small jar. Its creamy texture makes it easy to consume, while its portability ensures convenience during evacuations or power outages. Key benefits: high calorie content. 2 tablespoons contain around 200 calories, offering quick energy when food options are scarce. Longevity: unopened jars remain edible for up to 2 years, though some brands claim longer shelf lives under optimal conditions. Mental comfort. Familiar flavors like peanut butter can provide psychological relief during stressful times, helping reduce anxiety and maintain morale. A lack of peanut butter in emergency rations might deprive individuals of both immediate energy and the emotional comfort derived from familiar tastes. Dried pasta, the carb champion. Like rice, dried pasta offers a cost-effective way to stockpile carbohydrates. From spaghetti to macaroni, pasta provides a blank canvas for creating hearty dishes with whatever ingredients are on hand. Why it stands out. Extended shelf life. When kept dry and cool, pasta can last indefinitely without losing quality. Customizability. Pair pasta with tomato sauce, olive oil, or powdered cheese mixes to craft satisfying meals tailored to personal preferences. Bulk feeding potential. A single box of pasta can feed multiple people, making it ideal for families or community shelters. Without dried pasta, households would struggle to prepare filling meals capable of sustaining energy levels over weeks or months. Canned, tuna, salmon, omega-3 lifelines. Fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which support brain function, cardiovascular health, and inflammation reduction. Canned tuna and salmon deliver these benefits in a convenient, shelf-stable format. The importance of canned tuna and salmon in emergencies cannot be overstated. For heart health, omega-3 fatty acids help mitigate stress-related heart issues, which are common during crises. And for bone strength, salmon, especially varieties with bones included, provides calcium and vitamin D to prevent osteoporosis. When it comes to ease of use, canned tuna and salmon are incredibly convenient. Ready-to-eat fish requires no cooking, conserving fuel and water during emergencies. A diet devoid of canned seafood could exacerbate existing health problems and increase vulnerability to chronic diseases exacerbated by stress. Powdered milk, a reliable dairy substitute. Fresh milk spoils rapidly, but powdered milk extends its usability far beyond refrigeration limits. Fortified versions often include added vitamins and minerals, enhancing its nutritional profile. Let's talk about the advantages. Versatility. Reconstituted milk can replace fresh milk in recipes, beverages, and baking projects. Calcium supply. Calcium supports bone density, preventing fractures and dental decay. Vitamin boost. Many fortified powders contain vitamins A and D, bolstering immune function and vision health. The absence of powdered milk would leave Americans without a reliable source of dairy nutrients, potentially impacting growth, development, and general wellness. Instant oatmeal breakfast savior. Oats are renowned for their heart-healthy properties and sustained energy release. Instant oatmeal packets simplify preparation, requiring only hot water to transform into a nourishing breakfast. Why it's critical. Fiber rich. High fiber content aids digestion and keeps hunger at bay throughout the day. Quick prep. Minimal effort means conserving valuable resources like fuel and water. Flavored packets cater to different palates, reducing meal monotony. Without instant oatmeal, mornings could become chaotic as families search for alternatives to start their days nutritiously. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables. Nutrient insurance. While fresh produce is impractical for long-term storage, freeze-dried fruits and vegetables retain much of their original nutritional value and flavor. These lightweight items rehydrate easily, adding color, taste, and vitamins to otherwise bland emergency meals. Their role. Vitamin preservation. Freeze-drying locks in antioxidants, vitamins C and K, and potassium, combating scurvy and other deficiency-related ailments. Lightweight storage ideal for bug-out bags or evacuation scenarios where space is limited. Flavor enhancement. Adding sweetness from fruit or savory notes from veggies elevates the appeal of monotonous rations. Lacking freeze-dried produce, individuals risk developing micronutrient deficiencies that compromise immune systems and overall resilience.